Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Elly and Grace try-on haul. Elly and Grace offers graphic Christian t-shirts that offer a positive and powerful message. They have hoodies, sweatshirts, and also different kinds of other unique items on their website. Also, I would like to let y'all know that the unisex size is a little bit bigger than the lady size. Those I feel like tend to fit a little bit smaller. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 to 3 times a week. I post fashion hauls, lookbooks, and also cute and funny pet videos, so stay tuned for more. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, also showing y'all the haul, and doing a lookbook at the end so I can show you guys different ways to style these. This is the packaging that it comes in. As you guys can see, it's very unique. It's like a little pink color and with little details on the bag. This nice little packaging. This is how it comes in. Here it says Happy Mail Day package with love from Missouri. Shout out to y'all. It's so pretty, I hate messing it up. And ta-da! I guess it didn't come out so well. Here's one of the first ones. This one would be, it looks like they check every detail, do all things with great love. Thank you. It's a little card that they put in here. That's very sweet. And then they have this, I guess it's one of their cards. So the first shirt says, "In God We Trust." I ordered the size unisex medium, and this one is a little bit thinner. So as you can see, fits me, like if I leave it outside, like a little bit above my knee. Then we have this one. This one says "Blessed," and I love this color. It's so pretty for the fall, and you can style it so many different ways. And with everything going on, I feel we're so blessed to be, alive and healthy. This one, "One Nation Under God." I think this one would be perfect for the coming up elections. This one is also a unisex medium. This one is really a little bit thinner. And then this one that I showed, this one is actually medium, unisex, but this one is a little bit thicker than the other two. And then we have the tie-dye ones. "God Bless America." This one is perfect, I think, for the elections coming up. The colors are really beautiful. I love this one. "Let Your Light Shine." I love the color, especially because the orange and the yellow signify fire. So "Let Your Light Shine" really I feel really fits the colors. And this one is medium, but this one is size small. This one says "Created with a Purpose." This one is also small, and these are a little bit not as soft as the first three that I showed, but the message here, "Created with a Purpose," you are still alive for a reason, and we are all created with a purpose. And I really think this shirt really has a really positive message. So now I'm going to be styling different ways so you guys can take a look. And these are just some of the ways, but these, of course, they can be styled as you like. We're going to be styling these outfits 2 different ways. The first one I have here is the Blessed shirt with this camouflage utility jacket and the leather boots and just some jeans. Here we have it styled with this poncho. This is from Loft, and this poncho, it is so soft. I love it. It's one of my favorites. Got it from, I think, about a year or 2 ago. I love the contrast of the colors with this one. And this one, we just style it with this dark jean skirt and these heels. And also this rattan crossbody, which has the beautiful shells on it. In this look, I just decided to leave the skirt on, and I know some of y'all might not like heels, so you can just pair it with some sneakers for a little bit comfortable more look. And also I wore it with a backpack in case y'all need to run some errands or go to school or just anything. Here I have the red one with the Levi's jeans. These have the stars because this was a limited edition. I love this look so much. And here I paired it with one of this kimono. This is one of my favorite ways to pair graphic tees. I think it gives it a little bit different look. And also with these white sneakers, are very comfortable. In case you want to go shopping, or just has enough room to stick anything in there. Commercial break. Here we have the pink and yellow tie-dye, created with a purpose. This one I just wanted to give it a little bit, simple look with these sneakers. I've had these sneakers for a while and I really like them. Here we see this red shirt styled with this black. This one is a dressy skirt. And I just decided to give this look a little bit dressier look with these little heels and this crossbody. For our chillier states, I paired it with this cardigan. This one is like a beige one, I believe. You can go to the office or church, just anywhere that you need to run to. Take it off if you get warm. Here we see it paired with a trench coat. This one is very thin material, so if you're at a place where it's like in the 30s, please do not wear this. And also I paired it with this lighter jean skirt that I had. I love the length because it's not too short. And as I mentioned, if you get warm, you can just take it off, or it depends where y'all live. Some places I know get really hot, sometimes it gets colder. And the last look we have here, this is one of the ladies' size shirt. I wanted to wear it so y'all can see the difference. It's a little bit tighter than the other ones, so versus the other ones that were unisex.